All right, so good evening, everyone. Welcome. All right, so welcome to the ultimate strategy to making $10 to $50 every single day just by copying and pasting your Forex signals. Okay, now, I just want to know if you can see my screen right now. You can see this ultimate strategy. Type screen in the comment section. Okay, if you can see this ultimate strategy right now, type screen in the comment section so that we know we're on the same page. Okay, so okay, I can see some people are typing screen. Okay, so that means you can see me or you can see my screen. Okay, so now this is going to be exactly how you can make $10 to $50 every single day by copying and pasting Forex signals. All right. Now, this is going to be everything you need to know to get started. Okay. Now, I want you to pay a very close attention to the end. Okay. Pay a very close attention right now and stay till the end of the training or till the end of this video. Okay. Now, I want you to understand and also remember that, making money actually comes from learning. Okay. Earning comes from learning. Okay. So how you make money, how everyone makes money, how myself and my student makes money is learning some stuff, online or offline, and we implement everything and we start making money. Okay. So now you might be asking this question, okay, coach, why are you doing this for free? Of course, people charge a lot of money to do this. Now, here is exactly how this thing works or how this program works. Okay, it's very important for you to understand how this thing works so you know exactly how you're going to be taking this. Like, are you going to be very serious or are you going to be very lazy? Okay. Now, I will be sharing signals to you, okay, for the next 3 weeks straight, every single day. Now, how trading works, how Forex trading works is we trade from Monday till Friday. Saturday, Sunday, banks do not work, so most times we do not trade. Okay, so Monday till Friday for the next 3 weeks, I'll be giving you signals. Now, you'll be copying and be pasting the signals, and you'll be making between $10 to $50, depending, how many trades you take in a day, and of course the lot size and everything. I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. Okay, then you go ahead and make some money. Then after you start making money, then you can now upgrade to my VIP group for more signals. Let's say you start this business with maybe $100 at least. So I know some of you are going to be starting with maybe $500 or so. Okay, let's say for most people are going to be starting with like maybe $100, right? Now, let's say you take 2 trades in a day, or let's say you take just 1 trade in a day, and that trade makes you like $20. Okay, now let's take our calculator. So let's say you make $20 and you take trade for like 3 weeks, which is about 15 days minus the 6 days we're not going to be taking trading, which is like the weekends. So times 15. All right, how much is that? That is like $300. Okay, so now you can now upgrade to my VIP group, right? I charge about $100 for my VIP group. Okay, so for you to get more signals. Okay, now if you are lazy, that's like $300 you're going to be making. But if you are serious, let's say you take about 2 trades in a day. That's about two times, let's say you're making $20 per trade times 20, that is 40. All right, times the 15 days you're going to be trading, about $600. Okay, now even though if this, because the kind of signals we share has about 83% success rate, sometimes we get up to like 97. Okay, so most times you might not really miss any of this trade, but sometimes it might go south anyway. But you're still going to be making money before you can upgrade to my VIP signal groups. So that is when me start making money. So how this business model actually works is you making money first, then you can now decide to actually, upgrade to my VIP signal group. So I hope you understand this. Okay. All right. So let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Yakamo Mojimo. But friends and business partner call me Coach Ishaq. Now, what I do is I am an online entrepreneur. I make my money 100% from online. Okay. Now, how I make this money is through Forex trading. Okay. then through content marketing, and through brand influencing. Okay. Now, the one I'll be teaching you tonight, or the one I'll be showing you, is the forex trading aspect of where I make my money. Okay. Now, in the last couple of months, I've been able to show over 370,000 people on TikTok, where I show them exactly how to start making money to themselves. All right, that is not all. I've also gone on Facebook, replicate everything I've done on TikTok, and I've been able to teach over 135,000 people on Facebook. All right, to the point that Facebook has to get me verified based on the kind of good work I do for them. All right. So if you go on these platforms now, you just search my name, you're obviously going to see me, right? So tonight you have the opportunity to actually attend this, inner cycle with me, where I'm going to be showing you everything you need to start doing and start making money. Okay. So the next thing you want to ask right now is, how does it work? Okay. Now what we do here is called forex trading. Okay. So what it means is you buy and sell foreign currencies. Okay, so as you are buying, you are at the same time selling another currency, and you take the profit that actually comes with the fluctuation. So essentially, you're actually leveraging or betting on whether the currency will strengthen against the another, and then that will allow you to sell it later and make some profit. Okay. Now, forex is a very simple business. All right. If you still don't understand the way I explain it, you can go online and read more about forex trading. Okay, so that's not what we're here. Okay, I'm here to show you the practical step and what you need to start now. Okay. All right, so now here are the terminologies you need to understand. Okay, they're very important. There are some things you need to understand before you can do any kind of business. Okay, if you're a mechanic, there's some stuff you need to understand. If you're a fashion designer, there are some terminologies you need to understand. Even if you're a military, you're a police, whatever you do in this life, there are some terminology that actually related to that field you need to understand. If you do not understand this, that means you cannot do this business. Okay. So first, I'll be taking you through what is the meaning of signals, what are pips. Then number 3 is the lots or lot size. Okay. I'll be explaining everything in detail. Okay. So first, what are signals? Now, forex signals are actually recommendations that help traders to decide whether to buy or sell currency pairs in the foreign exchange market. Okay, there are some word numbers I'll be providing to you. That is what we call signals. Okay, so what the number means is it just like is an instruction to buy or to sell. Okay, so just understand that forex signals are actually some numbers. So just understand that I'll be sharing these signals with you. Okay, all you just need to do is always wait for my instruction. All right, once the signal is coming, you follow the instruction, copy and paste, and do everything I ask you to do, and you start making money. It's that simple. Okay, now what is a pip? Okay, now first, what you are seeing right now on your screen, this 0.16821 is what we call signal. Okay, now a pip is actually the fourth number after this decimal. Okay, after this point now, the fourth number is called pip, which is this 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this fourth number is called pip. Okay, so this decide on how much the movement of this number actually decide how much you'll be making in that trade. Okay, so if the number is going up, it means you are making money. If it is going down, it means you are losing money. Okay, for example, if this 0.16821 move to 0.16831, that means you've made a profit. Okay, so the question you want to ask right now is, okay, if it moves from 2 to 3, that means I've made like 1 pip in profit. So how much is that? That will take us to lot size. Okay, so how much you make per pip is being determined by the level of the lot size you are using. Okay, so that means lot size actually determine how much you're going to be making per pip movement. Are you understanding this thing? If you understand, type understand in the comment section. Okay, so now there are different kind of lot size. We have 0.01, we have 0.10, we have 1.00. Okay, now they also have different name. The first one, which is 0.01, is called a micro lot. Okay, from how it sounds, it's very, very small. If you're using this lot, the amount of money you're going to be making is very small, but I'm going to be telling you. Okay, now if you are using 0.10, then it's called a mini lot. Okay, and this is what most of my students and myself, this is what we use. Okay, now if you're using 1.00, it is called standard lot. Okay, now this one is for the big boys, people who trade like maybe $10,000 account or $100 Forex account. So these are the people that use 1.00 lot size, because they have a lot of money to risk and they want to still make a lot of money. Okay, so now how much do you make if you are using a micro lot, which is 0.01? So how much do you make? So you make about 1 cent per pip. Okay, so you're going to be making, if the pip move from 2 to 3, you make 1 cent. If you move from 2 to 4, which is 2 pip, then you make 2 cents. Okay, but if you're using a mini lot, then per pip you make $1. Okay, the third one, which is the standard lot, you make $10 per pip. Okay, so what this means is, on a micro lot, on a lot size of 0.01, on every 10 pips you'll be making like $1. But if you get 10 pips on the mini lot, then you make $10. So but if you're using the standard lot, you make $100 per. So I hope you understand this. If you don't understand this, what you can do is, after this training, I'm going to be making this video available, so you can always go back and listen, right? Then the apps and website required. So there are some apps and websites you need to do this. The first app, you need to create a broker account. Now, a broker is a company or a platform that hold your money. Okay, if you are funding your account, that is them. It is this company you're going to be funding your account with. All right, you give them your money. All the profit you're going to be making is from them. Okay, they will want out. They will give you the leverage on every account you have with them. They can also give you demo account. I'm going to be showing everything in practical anyway. So now, example of a brokerage account or a broker we use are XNES, AltaFX, IonFX. Okay. But me and my student, most times we use XNES, okay, because they are very legit. It's very hard for you to have issues with them, okay, except you don't know what you're doing, okay. Once you make your money, they will pay you your money. Then the next thing we need is MetaTrader 5. That is the second app we need. So MetaTrader 5 is where you're going to be trading this trade, okay, the signals and everything. That is where you'll be pasting them. So what happens is, when you create a brokerage account, which is on XNES, then you link it to your MetaTrader 5. That is it. Okay, you start trading. Okay, so we're going to be ending the explanation here. So I'll be going to my screen right now, and I'll be showing you the practical section. Okay, all right. So the first step is actually creating your XNES account. Okay, now if we check the description of this video, you will see the link to this website. Okay, don't just go on Google and type XNES, okay, because there might be other copies of this website. Okay, so you will not end up on the wrong website, because lot of scamming happens on Forex trading. Okay, because a lot of people want to make money and all that. Okay, so now you can also come to my DM to get this link. Okay, so now once you are here, what you want to do is click on register. All right, so once you click on register, this thing might come up, right? So verify that you are a human and all that. So just click on verify I'm a human and verification successful and all that. Okay, so once you are here, all right, so you have to create an account. The very first thing you need to do is actually choosing your country. All right. So me, I'm from Nigeria. I'll choose Nigeria. All right. So if you're from Ghana, Kenya, choose your country. Okay. So you will not have any issues when you are, cashing out your money. The next thing is, entering your email address. All right. So enter your email address, come up with a password, and you just create your account. It's very simple. Okay. Now, because I've already got an account with them, so what I will do is I will sign in. Okay. I'll just click on sign in now. Okay. And my email is already saved and my password. So I'll just click on login or sign in or continue. Then I'll be logging. Okay. If you are just here, so you might not see all this number here because I actually created a demo account here already, and of course also got a real account. I have a demo account and a real account. Okay. So if you just land on this page, then that means you've created your Xness account. Okay. We are one step ahead already. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is you need to open a trading account. Okay. Now to open a trading account, you see something like open a new account here. See something like this. Okay. Even if you are not using you are not using a laptop, you're using a phone, you will see it. You see create account somewhere. Okay. All right. So once you are here, there are two types of accounts. We have real account and demo account. All right. Now, demo account, this platform will give you, like Xness will give you, they are not real accounts, all right? They can give you money to trade, but this money you cannot cash them out. Now, we have real account. Now, here is my advice. Open a demo account first, or you can open both together. You can open a demo account and a real account, right? Then this demo account, you trade, you copy and paste those signals for like maybe 2 or 3 days. Okay, so you know that, okay, you can, when you start making money, you start making profit, then that means you can also trade on a real account. All right, then you can now come to real account. So now I'm going to be going ahead right now and create a demo account so you will see exactly how it works. So the very first thing is I'll go and archive this demo account I created, I think yesterday or so. All right, so I've actually archived the demo account. Okay, so I'll be creating a new one right now so you can see the process. Now the process of creating a real account and a demo account is the same thing. Okay, the difference is just the name. So once I open a new account, then it asks me what kind of account. Okay, is it standard account, pro account, or raw spread? Now this is for the beginners. The standard account is for beginners. The pro account are for people who have money, okay? People who can trade up to like $10,000, $20,000 account. You that want to start with $100, this is where you will start from, okay? So I'll click on standard, then I'll be like continue, okay? Now when you get to this place, you have to take a look at this upside, okay? You click on demo, okay? Make sure it's always on demo, okay? You only click on real when you are opening a real account, but now we want to open a demo account. Okay, click on demo, and you can see these things. Just leave it the way it is. Then how much do you want to start with? $500 is enough, or I'll just turn it to like $1,000. Okay. Then the currency, leave it at US dollars, except you're from UK or maybe you are actually living in Europe, you can choose Euro. Okay, if you are from Africa, it's better you leave it in US dollars. Okay, then the name of the account, what name is going to be in the account? Okay, I'll call it tutorial. Now you create a password. Now you have to be very careful on the password you're going to be using on this account, because this password you're going to be needing it when you are linking this to your MetaTrader 5. Okay, so now look at my password structure. For your password to work, it has to be combination of numbers and letters, then special character. Then one of the letters need to be capital letter in uppercase, right? So once everything is green here, that means you are good to go. What I advise you to do is copy this password first. Okay, once you copy it, then come somewhere where you can save it. I will save it here, okay, so that when I need it, I'll just come and copy it. Okay, okay, all right. So now I'll click on create account. I won't save it, and account pending, we are creating it. So now this account is ready. Okay, so you've created your demo account now. Okay, Now, I want to show you something. Okay, pay a very close attention at this junction, okay? Now, you want to know, there's what we call server, okay? So, on which server is this account, so that if you are linking this on your MetaTrader 5, you won't have problem, okay? So, now the server is here, xness-mt5 trial 9, so you copy it. All right, so I come where I save my password. I'll be like server. All right, I'll paste it here. Then the next thing you need is your account ID. This is your account ID. Okay, which is MT5 login, which is this one. Is the same thing that this one or this one is the same thing. So I also copy it. All right, I will show you how I need to use it or when we need to use it. I'll be like MT5 ID. Okay, so these are what I need at this junction. All right, so the next step right now is actually downloading MetaTrader 5. Now I use an Android phone, so I'll just go and search MT5, okay, MT5 app. All right, so this is it here, this MetaTrader 5. So I'll just install it. Now, actually, uninstall the one I was using before to install it, to actually teach you, exactly how to do everything from scratch. Okay. All right. So the next step is actually opening the MT5, and so we just accept. Okay. So we just click on close. All right. So now once you are here, here is what you need to do. Okay. Now click on find broker. Okay. What you want to do is actually go into that server address you actually copied the other time, and I'll just go and look for it. All right, so now you remember the server address I copied that time, so that is exactly what I'll just copy and paste there. Okay, I'll just copy it and come to find broker and I'll paste. All right, so this is it. I'll select it. Now it's asking for a login. All right. So now you remember the login that time we saved, right? So this is the MT5 login ID, right? We'll copy it. That is why I asked you to actually copy it and put it somewhere that time. So I'll, save. Now, I'll just come on the password. I also copy the password. All right, and I'll paste, right, and I'll click on login. All right, voila, we are logged in already. Okay, so this is exactly how to connect your Xness account to MetaTrader 5. Okay. So this is exactly where this class ends. Okay. So now before we end this class, I just want to show you some stuff. I just want to navigate this entire MT5 platform so you understand exactly how it works. Okay. Once you're on this interface, the very first thing you want to do is actually clicking on quotes. Okay. So now these are the currency that are already here. Okay. So there are some currency that are not here, like gold. It's just all about BTC here. Okay. So now let's say I ask you to buy gold and USD now. So now it's always in code, like you click on plus, then you look for the symbol, which is XAU, then so gold USD, this last one, right? Gold versus US dollars. Okay. So you click on it. So that is exactly how you add it. Okay. So any currency you want, that is exactly how you add any currency. It is called the instrument. Okay. So once you've added the currency you want to trade, you come and click on trade. Okay. Now you click on this, you click on this plus, okay, to change the currency maybe to gold. Okay. Let's say you are trading gold USD. So this is it. You can always enter and change the currency. Okay. Now, if the currency you want to trade is not here, you see the way I added it, so you can always go there and add it. Okay, it's very simple, right? All right, guys. So that is pretty everything. Okay. Now the steps are very simple. The very first thing is you create your Xness broker account. Okay. Now you can check the description section, or you come to my DM on WhatsApp. I will send it to you. Okay. Then once you create your Xness account, now I forgot to add this. While creating your Xness account, make sure you use your real name the way it is in your document, especially if because they're going to ask you to verify your name. Maybe using your NIN, maybe your international passport, a driving license, probably something like that, right? So make sure you use your real name, okay? Then also use a real address, okay? So make sure you're using the address you use in your bank statement, or just make sure you use a real address, because at some point they'll ask you to verify those things. So they'll be sure you're not a scammer, all right? So, and but that does not stop you from trading, okay? So create your Xness account. Then create your trading account, a demo account, and also a real account. Okay, once you've done that, then you link your demo account to your MT5. All right, then you can also link your real account to MT5, but you'll be trading with demo now. Once you've understand how to copy and paste these signals, that is it. Okay, so once you have done with creating your Xness account, creating your trading account, linking it to your MT5, and everything is set, then you come to my DM. I'll give you a video which shows you how to copy these signals. Okay, so you just watch the video and know how to copy paste these signals on MT5. I don't want to overwhelm you with the information, so that is why I stop here. Okay, I want you to do those ones. The videos are ready. Then I will show you, so that maybe tomorrow, once I just send the signals to the group, you can easily copy and paste and start making money instantly. Okay, so once you start making money with demo account, maybe you've traded like 2-3 days and everything is fresh, you already understand how to do this, then you can go ahead and fund your account. Okay, as I said earlier, I've created a detailed step-by-step videos how to fund your account. Once you've gotten to that stage, come to my DM. My DM is always open. Coach, I want to fund my account. I'll give you the video. I created the video myself on how to fund your account. That is it, okay? So I wish you success, and all I want is your result, okay? I want you to start making money. That is it, okay? When you start making money, that is when I start making money. All this one I just teach you. I'm not making money from it, okay? I just spend all my time teaching you. All I want is you start making money. So when you start making money, then that's when we can now talk about business. Okay. All right. So